Hi everyone, we're looking at our new branding strategy Notion template here. It's a very cute, comprehensive dashboard to help you build your brand strategy that comes with a full gallery view mood board and built-in tracking database for your progress within the template. In the introductory section, you'll find an onboarding page to help you navigate the template and know exactly what to do and where. Then you should check out the marketing links for suggestions on which social media marketing platforms to use. We also have a section for resources like our troubleshooting guide for any and all technical difficulties within the template. Check out the Studio Stash with the Creator Resources button for more awesome templates and tools from Studio Brittany that we think you'll enjoy very much. Finally, let's get into the substance of the template by clicking the drop-down toggles. Let's go with foundations first. Brand DNA is your hub for your foundational mission and values with exercises for each. Let's visit visual identity. This is where you curate and document the look and feel of your brand, complete with a mood board and a section for your brand rules. Now let's visit audience persona, where you can get clear on exactly who you're targeting and building products for. Your competitors button will take you to your competitive landscape where you can map out how you stand in your niche. Your messaging framework is where you can craft a clear, cohesive brand narrative. Lastly, we have the voice and tone guide, where you can keep your content consistent and aligned with your brand's personality. This has a tone gallery and do's and don'ts for the voice of your brand. I hope you enjoyed watching this walkthrough, and we appreciate you checking out our templates.